In this video, we're going to talk about ionic formulas with transition metals. So, what are transition metals? Transition metals are the metals that are in the middle of the periodic table. Here they are, as you can see. Okay, now of many of the transition metals are able to make more than one type of an ion, and each type can make a different charge. For example, Au, here it is, here it is in the periodic table, and, and it's gold. So it can make a 1 plus charge and a 3 plus charge. Okay, another example. And it's going to be Fe, here it is, which is iron, sorry, next to manganese. Fe. So it can make a 2 plus charge and a 3 plus charge. Okay, another example. And it's going to be Mn, which is manganese. So get ready, manganese has a lot of charges. So 2 plus charge, 3 plus charge, 4 plus charge, 6 plus charge, and a 7 plus charge. Wow, a lot of charges. Okay, now we said the transition metals are the metals that are able to make more than one type of an ion. Yeah? So if we took another element, okay, I'll show you it now. Let's look at the periodic table. Let's take from this group. Sorry, from that. I'll pick Mg, which is magnesium. It has a +2 charge. Okay, Mg, magnesium, can make it can make only +2 charge. So only transition metals are able to make more than one type of an ion. You see, other elements they can make one type. Okay, now let's see ionic formulas. Let's see ionic formulas with transition metals. So let's take an example of iron 3 oxide. Okay, if you're asking what is this, it's the charge of iron. It's written in Roman numerals. So this is a chart of some of the Roman numerals. Now the first one is I, which is 1. Second one, 2 I's, which is 2. 3 I's, 3. And here we have 1 subtracted by 5, which is 1, and a V equals 4. Now V, as we said, it's 5. Okay, so it's the chart. When you write like 3 I's or 2 I's, or even 1 I, or 4 or 5 I's, not I, sorry. In Roman numerals, here we have 3. It's the charge of iron, as you said, sorry. Okay, now another example. Let's take another example. It's going to be manganese 2 chloride. So here we have 2 I's, which is 2. And as we said, when we write them in Roman numerals, they are the charges of the transition metals. Manganese is transition metal. Okay, now I need you to remember this. Only transition metals are able to make more than one type of an ion. And even if you look at the periodic table, it's hard to know their charges. Like, imagine you're looking at it. I didn't write all of them because there are many, by the way. Okay, so imagine you're looking at it. You can't just look at it and know the charge. So that's why we write Roman numerals as a charge of the transition metals. And only two elements of the transition metals you can just know their charges. So this is our video for today, and thank you for watching. And we're going to talk about the topic more and more. Okay, thank you and see you later.